Welcome, everyone. Have you ever wondered why so many people start their day with warm lemon water? Well, hang tight because today we're diving into the zesty world of this morning ritual. First things first, hydration. Starting your day with warm lemon water is a fantastic way to hydrate your body after a long night's sleep. Think of it as a mini spa for your cells. Now, onto the vitamin C boost. Lemons are packed with this vital antioxidant, which helps in battling free radicals. So, a glass of this citrusy delight helps keep your immune system on its toes. Feeling a bit sluggish? Warm lemon water aids in digestion by jump-starting your digestive system. It's like pressing the gentle wake-up button for your gut every morning. And it doesn't stop there. This morning concoction can lead to fresher breath. Say goodbye to morning breath and hello to a refreshing lemony smile. Let's talk detox, shall we? Lemon water acts as a natural flush for your system, cleansing the liver and kicking out the toxins. It's like hiring a tiny internal cleaning crew. Also, for those watching their weight, this could be your new best friend. It's known for its ability to boost metabolism. Imagine burning calories while sipping something so delightful. Skin enthusiasts, listen up! The hydration and vitamin C from the lemon can lead to healthier, more radiant skin. You're not just drinking water, you're drinking your way to a glow. Chasing that zen? Warm lemon water can help reduce stress levels. Vitamin C is fantastic for reducing cortisol, which means starting your day calm and collected. For the fitness buffs, this drink helps in muscle soreness and recovery. After a tough workout, a glass of lemon water could be just what your muscles are craving. Craving less junk food? It's noted that starting your day with lemon water can help reduce hunger cravings throughout the day. It's like a natural appetite suppressant. For those who dread colds, frequent consumption of this vitamin C-packed drink can decrease the severity and duration of colds, helping you bounce back faster. Staying balanced is key, and lemon water helps maintain the body's pH levels. Despite its acidity, once metabolized, it becomes alkaline, which is great for overall health. Incorporating this habit is easy. Just squeeze half a lemon into warm water each morning. It's a simple step with a plethora of benefits. So why not give it a squeeze? Thank you for tuning in. Remember, sometimes the simplest habits can make the most significant impact on your health. Cheers to your health with a glass of warm lemon water every morning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.